I'm going yee, 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 yee. Morning neighbors, what do you do today? So, the scripture for today is from 1 Corinthians 10 verse 31, which says, whether you eat or drink, whatever you do it all for the glory of God. Right now I'm eating some real Jamaican breakfast. We had green plantains and mackerel cook up. Trust me, this is nice. What did you have for breakfast today? Anyway, I see that Tina raised a question in the vlog if Paul can ride bicycle. Now, I haven't ridden a bicycle probably in over a decade, mind you, which is really bad. But to question if I can ride a bicycle, she passed her place, no, she passed her place, man. So I'm just going to clear the air today, because I never even answered yesterday. I just give her a. So I'm going to clear the air today, and I'm going to allow the whole neighborhood to see me addressing this issue. This is crazy. Hi, Evie. Eva, don't make nobody tell you say your father can't ride bicycle, alright? Not even mommy, because daddy's a big bicycle rider. Good? Come, let's go. Come, on your mark. Ride out, Zaza, ride out, Zaza. Say hi, neighbors. Look at neighbors, give them a wave now.
Hi, neighbors.
Alright, ready to ride out now? Alright, go. Next racer, come Lily. You didn't what? You wiping your bicycle? Alright, boss. Alright, boss. Sorry, man. Whoa, yes. So why you didn't wipe off your bicycle? Why you never wipe off your bicycle?
That's right, Lily. Get it clean.
Very good.
Good job, baby.
Get the motor running now. Alright, run after 3. 1, 2, boom. Go. Alright, but this is the person that claims that she alone know to ride bicycle in the whole family.
I did not claim to be able to be the only person who can ride bicycle, you know. Neighbors, I asked Sir Paul here a question. I asked him if he can ride a bicycle, and I did not get back a response.
How dare she ask if I can ride a bicycle? How dare she ask if I can ride a bicycle?
Hear what the response was. What was the response? Big chirps, kiss teeth. So take from that,
alright,
draw from that whatever conclusion you will.
So I'm going to prove to you right now, the only bicycles I have at my disposal is these little tricycles, or
exactly, it's not even a bicycle. That does not even count.
It will have to do, right, Eden?
Oh,
right, Edie? it will have to be. Alright, so we're going to have a little race, right? On this side we have this contestant. What's your name, contestant? What's your name?
Baba.
Zahra Reid. And this is who? Leila Buggy. Leila, introduce yourself. What is your name?
Leila.
Leila. Alright. Let's hear the engine revving. Boom, boom, boom. No, don't run. No. Stay back. Hold on. Alright. Yes, stay behind the line. Stay behind the line. Right. Alright. Don't move from the holes. Everybody ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Go! Alright, hold on. Sorry. Daddy did that wrong. I'm going to go on your mark. Get set. Go. Alright? Alright. On your mark. Get set. Go! Come. And Leila, it's close. It's a tie. High five. Good job. Alright.
Hi, sweetie pies. You see the girls in their bicycle? On their tricycle? You want to ride too, Edie? Hey, Evie. Look where you're going. Whoa.
Alright, Leila and Zahra, come here. You think Daddy knows how to ride a bicycle?
This is a bicycle.
Just chill, no, man. It is a bicycle for today. Who wants to race, Daddy?
Me.
You both want to. Alright, I'm going to race the two of you. I'm going to race Leila first, and I'm going to race Zahra, okay? Alright. Wish me luck.
So that's what? Finish line?
This is the finish line. So the first person to ride through here wins, alright? So come Leila, come down here. We're going to race. Come Leila, come.
Oh boy.
Alright, you can see her. Ready? Count us off, Mom.
Look here. I don't want to be nursing no skin knees tonight, you know. Anyhow. So,
No, I'm going to race Zahra afterwards.
when I say go, you go. Everybody ready?
Go, yes.
On the mark, get set, and go! Wow. Just wow. And the first contestant has made her way through the finish line. The second contestant, looking pretty dismal.
Why you riding my bicycle?
Why am I riding your bicycle? Alright, I'm sorry. You know what? I have nothing to prove.
No, you have your dignity to preserve. What do you mean you have nothing to prove? Can you ride a bicycle or can't you, Paul Reid? What's the story?
I'm going to tell you in my way with a story. So let me explain. Let me explain myself right now. Alright, so this is a true story, eh? True story. I haven't ridden a bicycle as I told you before in about a decade. But I can ride a bicycle. I remember when I grew up in Portmore as well. I was living in Bridgeport. And it's not times like when Tina was growing up and, you know, youths on the road till hours and all them things there. I lock up in my house. Most days we don't really go out and par and play on them things. I remember one day we have some family friends visit. And they came, so you know the grill open, they're back and forth between the vehicle. So the grill not lock up like always. So I say, hold on, this is my chance. So at them time, I used to have a BMX bicycle.
Oh, me too.
Really?
They had BMX in your time?
Right. I had a BMX bicycle, right? And then, but something, it mashed up. So the only bicycle in the house that was my sister's bicycle, a pink and white bicycle. Oh dear. I say,
Where is this story going? Are you sure you want to post this to YouTube?
It was a pink and white bicycle, but it was a big boy's bicycle. It was a big first bicycle. It was one of those bicycles where, you know, bicycle might have brake on the handles. It's one of those where if you press it back way, it's like when you go reverse, that is the brake. You ever experienced one of those?
No.
So when you pedal forward, it goes forward. When you pedal backwards, it's like it draw brakes.
Okay. No, I've never
Never had one of those.
I mean, more normally, any bicycle you pedal it back way, it goes slow down.
No, this
one
is literally stop. Yes,
okay.
you're hearing stop.
Okay.
Anyway, so I take liberty and say, hold on, nobody now really noticed me. I could be more than 10. I gonna take share bicycle. White wheels, you know, pink bicycle, white wheels. Imagine me now with purple seats. So I rode from Gate Avenue and I turned left onto Ventura. I think it was Ventura. And I spin around probably like 100 meters and I turn back around and I come back to the gate. Right back in the yard and I say, hold on, nobody not missed me. Gone again.
You bust out like a baby kite.
I gone again. I say, alright. And I go back on the same route. From Gate Avenue, turn left. And I come back. I come back and I say, hold on, nobody not miss me. I say, Sherry, I soon come. So now all the apprehension and, you know, anxiety that gone right now. I just feel free. So now I go and go back my route. But this time I say, hold on, I see some style I normally do on the road when I see them. They have a style name, Dilly Dally.
Oh,
you know Dilly Dally?
Dilly Dally is when you
Dilly
go
Dally is
from...
when you go from I just swing. But I never know something, so I dare know riding and thing on the road, you know. So I'm going yee. And I did it one time though, and I realized, oh, this not so hard. This not so hard, man. Anyway, I turn around again and start dilly dally. Yee. Next thing I know, grown.
Yeah, you got grown.
What? I reached the asphalt, you know, and I remember my foot did catch up. And you know, when you jump off a bike, it's like your foot is one of the most risky things. So it's like it got under me, between me and the bike on the road.
No.
But could I go on bad because I wasn't supposed to be on the road? So
You have to just hold
I
it.
tough it out, you know, like I say, yo, no, it's
You couldn't tell mommy. You couldn't tell mommy no.
I don't know if she remember or what, but she was busy talking to her friend inside the house. So from that, the bicycle park. And
gosh,
I say, you know what?
But you know, say,
You have a story too?
all me a laugh. All me a laugh. Me have my own drama too.
You have your own drama?
So as Paul said, I had, you guys saw in the last video that we did, that I had a bicycle. I
Yes,
also
baby.
had a BMX. Leila, put on back
Leila,
her
help her to
shoe.
put on back her shoes, please. Alright.
So I had a BMX bicycle. My BMX was blue, right? I got mine. I was actually in grade 3. I was 7 in the store, but I was turning 8 when I got my own. And I
Turning
had,
in still 7, babe.
okay, yes. But I got it for my 8th birthday.
Okay,
right?
okay.
And I'd had it for a couple of years. You know, I learned to ride a bicycle and everything. So one day now, you know, I feel like I feel competent now. And me and my friend Arna used to ride our bicycles. Now, Arna had a big person bicycle. I had my regular size
Kid bicycle.
big kid
Yeah.
bicycle. Arna had grown up bicycle. Arna was so short. She could have barely climbed up on the bicycle. The seat was so high. Whenever we used to switch bikes and I would ride hers, it was just like,
Okay, I'll drop off.
I got feel like I got drop off, and the skinny wheel it have to, you know, and the handles that
curve over?
Right,
racer
it's a
bike.
racer bicycle Arna had. Anyway, one day we are riding, and my house was at the corner of Palmetto North and Day Drive, and we go all the way up the top of Day Drive, and you know, turn the corner. And I remember I used to see the guys of this style too.
No hands.
No hands, hands free. No hands, man, no hands. And I look at it and I said, but
That can't so hard.
but that look easy. You can try that. All you have to do, you know, I see them do it, you know, you see them kind of
Lean.
brace back, lean back, and then, you know, you just
Yes,
have your
pull.
hand like this and you just ride, go and ride, and, you know, balance up and thing. So there I was.
8 years old, babe.
No, but at this time I was probably like 9 or so because I had learned, I experienced. So me a bike and all, you know.
Okay.
Right, I must say, all right, now is the moment. There's a bunch of us were riding our bicycles on the street, you know. And I guess I was feeling myself, right? Feeling myself amongst my little group of friends. Decide to go now show off my skills. So I ride the bicycle, you know. I'm gonna go let go my hand. I'm gonna let go the bar. Babe, I do not know what, how, but I just remember myself aggro.
I'm telling you, them have a word. Them have a word for it named kin pupa lick.
Listen, you see this mark here? This mark here, and all similarly this mark here on the 2 sides is from that.
Really?
Because I dive, you know, me choke off of the bicycle, you know. And the road was full of gravel. You know, like a fine black stone. And that me sliding.
No, that worse than the little smooth asphalt.
Listen,
if that's sinking in your
all
hand.
my belly scrape up because I drop off of the bicycle. It's like the bicycle.
So hold on, who can ride now? Who can ride now?
Listen, me can dilly-dally, stay there. At least we can dilly-dally. Can you do no hands?
I did dilly-dally. Just too much.
Okay. That I never gave up riding after that, but
you never tried no hands again?
I never tried that thing again. I can tell you that.
I think there was no hand thing. I think them do something to them handle. I think it's like them handle stiffer. It can't be the regular.
I don't know.
It can't be the regular
I don't know.
one.
I've never tried. I've never even attempted it since
Well,
that.
I've never even thought about it. Much less attempted. I'm like, okay, cool, good for you. But yeah,
But it's amazing how different the times were between when I was growing up and you were growing up. Because I remember when I just got my bicycle, Portmore Mall never exists yet. So all of that was open land, and we used to, me and Arna and other friends of ours, we used to ride, go over there. Imagine, take up yourself as picnic, ride gone over open land. And you see where we were coming from, Palmetto, when we were on the Canal Road, we used to ride right around because Palmetto, north, east, west, south, that's the periphery of the side of Passageport that I grew up in. And we used to just ride around that like multiple times, me and Arna.
No,
every evening.
No, I couldn't run the risk my time.
In my time, it was just,
and you were a girl,
just did
so
that, and I was a girl, yeah.
It's crazy.
And it was just, Mommy, can I go ride my bicycle? Or Daddy, can I go ride my bicycle?
Like,
yeah, and that's it. There was no thought that something.
Chelsea?
Yes, Chelsea! Get them, Chelsea! We have to root for our cat, you know, because he live inside most time, and we worry about his masculinity.
Right, he's a little timid. But yeah, interesting that we'll have different times.
Here's Hannah. Hannah, come and say hi to the vlog.
Hi neighbors.
So what happened to you on Saturday?
I was doing homework.
Okay, so there you have it.
Homework.
I was doing homework.
Yeah, she just wanted to be rid of us, yeah?
No,
Right.
I was doing
How the
homework.
house felt?
Hey,
No crying.
one time she called and she said, Mommy, where are you guys? I'm gonna say we're X place. Okay. She never really wanted to know where we were. She just want to know how much time you have, how much more free time you have.
No, she wanted to know what we were bringing home for
No,
dinner.
that's
True.
not true. That's not true.
It was not?
Not
No,
true.
That's not true.
Yeah.
You
Hannah,
guys were gone for a long time.
Hannah had a bicycle. Hannah, don't you had a bicycle? But we need to get you an upgraded bike.
I can't ride without training wheels.
Yeah, we never actually upgraded Hannah.
Oh.
Yeah.
And I never took off my training wheels.
We never took off our training
So I
wheels.
can't ride without training wheels.
Alright, so that's the project now. We're going to
Leila and Zahra need to be upgraded as well
Yeah.
from these tricycles. They can't keep riding these tricycles forever.
So Mommy can ride bicycle. Well, we see her pose up with a bicycle in a picture. Let's put it that way. Daddy can ride bicycle. Leila and Zahra can have them, them little tricycle experience right now. But we need to buy some bicycles for the house.
Yeah.
And get some miles under our belt.
Yeah.
But how was things in your time? What were your childhood experiences with bicycle and dilly-dallying or whatever?
Yeah.
So thanks guys for watching. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and share and comment. That's the four things that people always say, right?
I guess, but guys, we're just happy when you like the videos and when you take that extra step to turn on notifications after
Right.
you've subscribed, right? That for me, that's good enough. That's good enough. Turn on all notifications so you'll get all the notifications for all of our posts.
Right. So as usual, until next time, the rain going to fall now.
Yeah, we need to go inside.
We need to go inside. So take care. Big up from me and my host. Bye guys. Huh? You're not doing it push. Alright, we'll hear. Alright.